Multiple choice questions on general studies and general abilities. Part 9. Question number 81. Which is the world's smallest flowering plant? Option A rose, option B wolfia, option C lotus, option D lily. Let us count down start. Time up. The answer is wolfia. Wolfia is the world's smallest flowering plant. Question number 82. Citrus fruits are rich in option A vitamin C, option B vitamin A, option C vitamin B, option D vitamin D. Let us count down start. Time up. The answer is vitamin C. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Question number 83. Which substance gives a leaf its green color? Option A hemoglobin, option B plasma, option C chlorophyll, option D none of these. Let us count on start. If you know the answer, please post in comment section. Time up. The answer is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll substance gives a leaf its green color. Question number 84. In the word photosynthesis, photo means option A air, option B water, option C soil, option D light. Let us count down start. Time up. The answer is light. In the word photosynthesis, photo means light. Question number 85. Which plant's underground stem is called rhizome? Option A potato, option B carrots, option C onion, option D tomato. Let us count down start. Time up. The answer is potato. In potato plants, underground stem is called rhizome. Question number 86. When is World Population Day celebrated? Option A 10th July, option B 11th July, option C 12th July, option D 13th July. Let us count down start. If you know the answer, please post in comment section. Time up. The answer is 11th July. 11th July is World Population Day celebrated. Question number 87. National Simplicity Day is observed on 12th July every year to honor option A Henry David Thoreau, option B Woodrow Wilson, option C David Hume, option D John Locke. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is Henry David Thoreau. National Simplicity Day is observed on 12th July every year to honor Henry David Thoreau. Question number 88. Paper Bag Day is observed on option A 5th July, option B 9th July, option C 12th July, option D 15th July. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is 12th July. Paper Bag Day is observed on 12th July. Question number 89. World Photography Day is observed on option A 16th August, option B 17th August, option C 18th August, option D 19th August. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is 19th August. World Photography Day is observed on 19th August. Question number 90. World Mosquito Day is observed on option A 20th August, option B 21st August, option C 22nd August, option D 23rd August. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is 20th August. World Mosquito Day is observed on 20th August. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.